Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to post in all platforms at once. So I'm using Postis for this, and you can add 30 plus channels. I will add my Pinterest and my X account. So I'm gonna click Pinterest. In one click, I'm gonna give it access, and now my informations of Pinterest is in Postis. We're gonna get back, channel updated, and then I'm gonna add my X account as well. Just one click and it will be connected, channel updated as well. The best thing about Postis is you can highlight the social media that you want, and you can tell it like ChatGPT, post this image, do this video, and comment on this post, and that's it. So I'm gonna show you an example that I did. So this is the caption. I told him to post it on X. I highlighted X account, and I gave it the picture, I gave it the caption, and it's scheduled after 2 messages. It's really easy, it's really simple, and you can go to the calendar to see it and everything. So, and also you have the analytics of all your social media, so it would be easy to see your analytics and see your social media, what they are doing. So that's it, guys. There is a link in the description if you want to help me, and like and subscribe, and see you next time.